Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. So let's get right into this video. I start by applying my Kiara Sky Bond to dehydrate the nail. Now I applied 3 layers of clear dip powder to build the nail. I applied my ProDip Base to 3/4 of the nail, and then I dipped into the clear dip powder. Then I applied base to the whole nail and then dipped into the clear dip powder. This is done to build the nail and also to protect my natural nail from the color. This is also an optional step. Next, I applied tape off camera. Now I placed base on the nail and then I poured my ProDip white dip powder on my nail. This dip powder is mixed with diamond dust glitter. So I did 3 layers of that and then removed the tape. Then I did 2 more layers. Then in a container I placed the white dip powder and the purple dip powder, which is from Revel nail and it's called Rhythm, and I swirl it together to get a marble effect. Then I placed base on the nail and laid my finger into the marble mixture. Then I encapsulated the nail with 2 layers of clear dip powder. If you're getting value from this video, hit the like button below and comment your thoughts on the design as well. And don't forget to subscribe to get the best tips and tricks for beautiful and fabulous nail designs at home. Then I activated the nail, waited for it to harden, then began filing off camera. Now this is after filing, and now I'm using my Revel nail Lola, and I just placed base and poured the dip powder on the nail. I did a few layers of that. Next, I applied a few layers of clear dip powder to encapsulate the nail, but I only showed 2 layers. Then I applied activator to the nail and waited for it to harden, then began filing. This is after filing of the nail. Now I'm applying some Modelones Gel Top Coat and I cure it for 30 seconds. Then I apply my cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nail. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!